Hello Ashish, how are you?
I am doing good. Hope same for you. You look confused. Do you have any query?
Yes sir, you guessed it right. I was listening to my friend. He was talking about audit assertions, but I am curious to know the meaning of audit assertions.
It's a wonderful question, dear. Let me try to help you in easy language. Assertions are an important aspect of auditing, since financial statements cannot be held to a lie detector test to determine whether they are factual or not. Other methods must be used to establish the truth of the financial statements. Assertions are characteristics that need to be tested to ensure that financial records and disclosures are correct and appropriate. There are broadly three categories of assertions. Number 1, account balances. These assertions are generally about the end-of-period balance sheet accounts such as assets, liabilities, and equity balances. Number 2, classes of transactions. Income statement accounts usually use these assertions. Number 3, presentation and disclosure. These assertions deal with presenting and disclosing different accounts in the financial statements.
Okay, but are there some further classification for this?
Yes, my dear. These three are further subdivided as follow. In assertions related to account balances, we have 4 things to check which are existence. B, completeness. C, rights and obligations, and D, valuation. In classes of transaction, we have divided it into a classification: B, accuracy; C, occurrence; D, cutoff; E, completeness. In presentation and disclosure, these are classified into occurrence, B, completeness; C, classification and understandability; D, accuracy and valuation. Hope you understood it. In case you want more insights on this, do comment below. I will make a detailed video on how to check these assertions in practical life.
Yes, sir. I would like to see another detailed session on this from Curious Ka. I have liked and subscribed the channel.
Really, thanks for the appreciation. Hope to see you again with detailed lesson.